Hello, and welcome to Canbook, your smart partner for managing clients, services, and growing your business effortlessly. In this video, you'll learn how to create a WhatsApp campaign to promote offers, updates, or reminders. It's a simple 4-step process. Let's begin. What is a campaign? A campaign lets you send professional WhatsApp messages to one or many clients for new offer, festival discount, or an upcoming event. It saves time, avoids manual messaging, and keeps everything consistent. Open the Campaigns page. From your dashboard, click Campaigns in the left sidebar menu. If your WhatsApp custom header is not active, you'll see a message to activate it, and the Create button will stay disabled. Once your custom header is active, the Create button becomes enabled, and you can start creating a campaign. What is a custom header? It's simply your own WhatsApp business connection inside Canbook. It makes messages go from your business number, not Canbook's. Why it's needed? Builds trust. Clients see your number. Lets you manage bulk messages and templates. Required by WhatsApp for sending verified template messages. Enables branding and personalization. Campaigns won't work without it. Step 1. Campaign details. Click Create. Give your campaign a short name like Summer Sale or Festival Offer. Make sure it has at least 3 characters, because this field is required. In the description, you can note what this campaign is about. This field is optional, but it helps you remember the purpose later. Once you're done, click Next to continue. Step 2. Choose and customize a template. Click the Template field and select any approved WhatsApp template, such as a festive offer, discount announcement, or booking reminder. On the right side, you'll see a live WhatsApp preview. Now fill in the template variables, placeholders like name, service, etc. If your template has a header image, you can upload a clear photo by clicking Choose File. As you type or upload, the preview updates instantly. When everything looks good, click Next. Step 3. Select clients. Now let's choose who should receive this campaign. All clients, or choose your target clients. If you choose target clients, you'll get 2 powerful filtering options: duration-based and custom filters. Duration-based filters. This option helps you target clients by how recently they visited. You can choose periods like the last 30 days, 90 days, or even select a custom date range if you want to focus on a specific time frame. You'll also see simple checkboxes like New Clients, to reach people who recently joined. Clients who haven't booked recently, great for re-engagement. This method is perfect for simple time-based targeting. Custom filters. If you want to get very specific, the custom option gives you advanced filtering with 3 sections. 1. Amount spent. Here you can filter clients based on how much money they've spent. You can target clients who spent more than a certain amount and clients who spent less than a certain amount. Great for premium or budget-based offers. 2. Client presence. This helps you find clients based on their visit habits. You can target loyal clients, people who make a minimum number of bookings per year. Loyal but inactive clients, clients who used to come regularly but haven't visited for a while. This is a great way to bring back regular customers who dropped off. 3. Service usage. This lets you filter clients based on the services they booked. You can find people who booked one service but never tried another, clients who took a service a few times but haven't returned recently, clients who have never booked a specific service. It's perfect for promoting new services or encouraging customers to try something they've missed. Gender filter. Below all filters, you'll see gender options: all, male, or female. This helps you tailor campaigns for male-specific or female-specific offers. As you apply filters, you'll see a live count like N selected. Click it to view and confirm your selected clients. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click Next to continue. Step 4. Test and send. Before sending to everyone, you can test the campaign on your own phone. Enter your 10-digit mobile number, then click Test. You'll receive the sample message instantly on WhatsApp. If everything looks perfect, click Create Campaign. Your campaign is now saved as a draft until you choose to send it. Click Send Campaign whenever you're ready, and the message will instantly go to all selected clients, and the campaign status will change to Sent. This ensures you stay in full control. Nothing goes out until you confirm it. Choose what works best for you, and that's it. You've created a complete WhatsApp campaign in Canbook. Simple, clear, and powerful. Use campaigns regularly to engage clients, share offers, and grow your business effortlessly. Keep growing with Canbook. Your business simplified.